Welcome to Motorcycle Mall. My name is Slim, and this is the brand new 2022 Suzuki Hayabusa GSXR 1300. So this is the 2022 Busa. I'm going to go through a few quick updates, features that they have new for this year. First and foremost, as you notice, brand new styling, brand new body. Suzuki went through a lot and upgraded this bike from the ground up. At the front of the bike, I will say, this thing looks sick. I love the mirrors, kind of have that luxury car, Lambo, hang down style from the front. LEDs all across. Combined ABS braking system. 2022. This ABS system actually has a gyroscopic meter that measures what you do in a 3D world. Your pitch, roll, throttle, brake inputs, as well as what gear you're in order to adjust and make the proper ABS inputs for you in an emergency situation. We do have a really cool Hayabusa logo right here inside the headlight. We have integrated signals. We have an upgraded motor for Euro 5. That motor does lose a little bit of power because the emissions regulations are a little more stringent, but they've gone through everything from the crank, pistons, the valves, brand new injectors, brand new secondary injectors. This is a brand new motor from the ground up. Moving forward to the back, take a look at these lights. I love them. Integrated, again, LED tail light, LED signals, has a very clean end to the bike, very aerodynamic. They do have a twin exhaust system. So, we have come to the end of the video. My name is Slim. This is Motorcycle Mall. Like I said before, if you're interested in this bike, give us a call. Myself or one of our very talented sales associates will definitely be able to help you out and take one of these bad boys home. When you do, you'll thank us.